Hi everyone, it's Boris Mednikov here.
And Tanya Zueva with Vanguard Real Estate.
Today we'd like to show you this beautiful new listing we have at 60 Red Willow Crescent. Let's step inside and take a look. Welcome to this gorgeous family home that features 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, fully finished basement, beautiful backyard, and triple attached garage.
This open and bright upper level features 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This beautiful primary bedroom comes with tons of natural light, walk-in closet, and ensuite bathroom with a jacuzzi tub.
Guys, you must see this fully finished lower level. It's come with this nice rec room, a workout and office area, good sized bedroom, full bathroom and tons of storage.
This absolutely amazing pie-shaped backyard comes fully landscaped with a large deck, stone patio, and gazebo.
This gorgeous home is a pride of ownership and an absolute must-see.
For any additional information or to book your private showing, please contact us at the information below.
Also, don't forget to follow us on social media at Boris Mednikov
And Tanya Zueva on Facebook and Instagram.
See you soon!